Legionellosis is the collective name given to the pneumonia-like illness caused by Legionella bacteria. This includes the potentially fatal Legionnaires disease, as well as the similar but less serious conditions. Any water system that has the right environmental conditions could potentially be a source for Legionella bacteria. The bacteria are common in natural water sources such as rivers and lakes, but usually in low numbers. If, however, the bacteria colonize man-made water systems such as cooling towers, evaporative condensers, and whirlpool spas, then they can grow rapidly due to the conditions in which these systems operate. This online Legionella awareness course will help organizations meet their legal obligations and provide candidates with a thorough awareness of the dangers associated with Legionella and the management and control measure required to control the risks. This course covers the background to Legionella and Legionnaires disease and highlights the managerial responsibilities and requirements as detailed in the 4th edition of the Approved Code of Practice for Legionella Control, published December 2013. After completing this course, you will be aware of the dangers of Legionella bacteria, have knowledge of the conditions that promote the growth of Legionella, have knowledge of the methods that transmit Legionella bacteria, have knowledge of the legal and regulatory framework that underpins Legionella management, be aware of the most common high-risk water systems that encourage Legionella growth and dissemination, be aware of the methods required to assess the risk from Legionella, and be aware of the management and control requirements to ensure that risks are controlled effectively. Module 1. Legionella Background and Management Requirements. This module looks at Legionella and Legionnaires disease, along with infection, symptoms, and outbreaks of Legionella. Also discussed is L8 scope and its application. Terms and definitions. By clicking the buttons below, you will reveal some of the specialist terms used throughout this course, accompanied by a general description. Legionnaires disease is a potentially fatal form of pneumonia caused by Legionella bacteria colonizing in the lungs. The name comes from the first identified outbreak, where 221 cases and 34 deaths were reported amongst attendees at an American Legion conference held at the Bellevue Stratford Hotel, Pennsylvania, 1976.